to replace the dryer in a 2002 Toyota Tacoma. I'm not actually going to do it, I've already done it, but it's very easily explainable without actually removing it. So if you guys are curious about taking on the task, I'm sorry I'm not going to actually take apart the truck in front of you, but trust me, it's very easy. So the dryer location, first of all, anytime you open up the system you need to change the dryer, and this is it right here. There's a little sight glass actually on top of one of the hoses. So first thing that you're going to need is you're going to need 2 crescent wrenches, and you're going to have 2 hoses to unhook. After you, of course, remove the grill. The grill removal is extremely easy. Honestly, this is a hand-me-down truck, and I had zip ties right here because the clips are broke, and that's how it always was, and that's what I replaced it with. But it should mainly be clips throughout, and I believe that there may be 2 bolts that would have been here, but my truck doesn't have it. So anybody can figure out how to remove the grill. It's not that easy. Anybody can figure out how to remove a dryer, but the dryer is going to have 2 hoses on it. You can see them connecting to the top right there, and it connects right here. So you're going to use 2 crescent wrenches, one to hold the silver line and one to hold the black line, and you're going to loosen those up. Be careful not to twist the hoses. And then you're also going to have one right down here just below the dryer, and you'll be able to see that very easily once the grill is off. And you're going to use 2 crescent wrenches, one to hold one side and one to loosen the other on that one. Once those are loose, you're going to have to easily slide those hoses through from behind this bar right here. Be careful not to drag it along your condenser, and you can simply remove it there. And then you will install the hoses onto your new dryer. I'm also going to put an Amazon affiliate link to a new dryer. They're very cheap, and so you'll be able to pick one up there, and you simply just reinstall it exactly the same way. Anytime you open up your AC system, you should replace the dryer though. But I hope this video has helped. I'm sorry I didn't take anything apart in the truck, and thanks guys.